Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So back out with the Traxxas Slash. This is the same one with that I had the Chevy Nova body on. I might do a comparisons of the bodies just to see about aerodynamics. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to go to the normal spot. It's right across the street, but came over here and it does have a slight dip, so we'll see what the car is doing. We'll make some tests and go from there. But we want to see if it unloads in the big end. I do have the GNSS charge today, so let's go ahead and get some testing in. It's going to be with the gear changer still, so just want to see what it's doing. Alright, y'all, let's make our first test set, see if we get down there. Turn my steering down real quick. Alright, y'all, let's see what happens. I do got the GNSS. Let me go ahead and start that. We're going to have to make sure it made a clean pass. I might try that left lane. That might look a little better, but let's see what happens. Alright, y'all, I got the GNSS ready. I'm going to go ahead and ready it. See what she do. Oh, that's a long walk, huh? Alright, let's go down there and see what it did. Alright, y'all, let's see what it did. Read. Did 2.7 at 57 miles an hour. Hopefully y'all seeing that. Let's go that way. So 2.7 at 57 miles an hour. I wasn't in it all the way. I knew something was gonna happen, so anyway, let's actually send it that way and see what happens. Ready? Let me go back because I ain't want to ready it yet. Alright, let's see what she do. Let's go that way now. See what happens. I probably let off before the 132, but I just wanted to make a clean pass. Hopefully y'all seen that. See what it did. 2.7 at 58. Hopefully y'all see that. 2.7 at 58. It's not bad. Let's see if we can at least get a 2.5. I think I'm letting off too early though. Alright, let's see if we can handle this take off the line. Read 3.0 at 50. That was bad right there. Let's try that again. Alright, we ready? Let's see what it do. Hopefully y'all seeing this. That's a let off. Sound like it kicked in good though. Definitely sound like it kicked in smooth. Let's see what the numbers say. 2.6 at 60. Be able to hold it a little bit longer. Maybe I'll be able to get something better. Let's see what happens. Hopefully y'all seeing all this, man. I'd be upset if y'all doing all this for nothing. Anyway, damn, let's get one more in. I'll probably change the body after that. Alright. Yeah, I let off probably a little before the 132. Ain't the best lot, but 2.7 at 60. I'm gonna get one more run in just to see if I can hold it and break wind at 60. Alright, let's see what she do. Let's change the body and go from there. 2.8 at 58. But it's making clean passes. It is when it hooks, it turns a little bit, but I'm thinking that's my wheelie bar is holding the floor. I got the stock mount on there and I need to get rid of that, so I'm really thinking that's what's hooking me. Especially it got an incline like that, so when the bar touch, I pull to the right, to the left. But I want to change the body just to see if I hit 58 and 60 with the same body without it just flipping over on me, and see what happens. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we changed the body and we changed the battery just so we can get the same power. So let's see what it do. I think the front is too low, so it might scrape. See what happens. That's kind of low. See the mile an hour. Hopefully I didn't even ready it. Look at that. All right, let's try that again. All right, the GPS is ready now. Let's see what it do. That was a good hit, I'm not gonna lie. That was a good hit. Let's see what it did. 2.7 at 61. The body did 61. It did better than the other body, I'll tell you that much. So let's get another run in and see what happens. So far it did better than the other body, so I was able to actually hold that longer than I did with the other body. I don't know, because the car was more stable or whatever, but let's do it again and see what happens. Oh no. Strip the spur gear. All right, y'all, so as y'all heard, I stripped out the spur gear. So I'm not sure how that happened. The motorboat must have came loose, but I got another one in the house. I'm gonna fix that up and get it back out. I do like the way she's going right now. According to the GNSS, it's hitting 60 or 61, which is good, and I'm not really holding it, so I do want to get a better bar. As y'all can see, look at my bar. Definitely need a better bar. That's not good, so that ain't helping me at all. Hopefully I get a better bar and go from there. But the blue car I'm gonna leave how it is, and this car I'm gonna play with it. I'm gonna try these bodies some more, so if I can get back out today, I will come back out and I will run in the same spot. So y'all stay tuned for that. Right now I'm about to work on my drag nitro build, my RS4 nitro drag build. About to see if I can get it cranked up, see if I can get it going. I dropped some gears on there just to see how that if the RPM's coming soon on that. So y'all stay tuned, and that will probably be the next video up if everything go good. All right, guys, stay tuned.